Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to set time on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is click the digital clock on your home screen. And okay guys, after that, click the three dot on the upper right side on your screen and click settings. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, in clock portion, you can see the change date and time. Okay, you'll have to do is click change date and time. And okay guys, here in date and time, okay, you can see the set time. And okay guys, you'll have to do to change this set time is click the set time, and the pop-up are show, and now you can change the time. And okay guys, I set into, for my example, I set into 12:30. And okay guys, so after that, after you set the time, okay, click the OK button. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully set the time on your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.